Go.
Baby, we're children of summer. We're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the other. No reason to be.
Aloha!
Aloha!
Good morning. We are heading to a local farmer's market to pick up some produce and some groceries and to just check it out. We've heard amazing things about it. If you don't know, we are in Hawaii for a month, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Hawaiian adventures. Let's go see what we can find.
Are you getting
It's
wet?
raining, it's raining,
It's really nice though because it's like 80 degrees and raining.
It's like a nice little misting rain.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is amazing.
There's like all these local farmers just selling their produce here.
There's like tons of homemade stuff like kombucha and hot sauce and ooh, it all looks so good.
Jen says apple.
Apple.
Do you see that?
Fluffy. I don't know if she pulled it out.
I don't know. They look.
Oh my goodness.
It's like a long-haired bunny. Bunny. Look at the bunnies.
Can I pet them?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh my goodness, they're so soft.
Alright, I've been waiting for this the entire time we've been here. So good. They're from the jungle. Bug, you want a sip? This is Papa's favorite treat. Yummy. Was that good?
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Isn't it so good? It's like the best coconut water ever.
Okay, so it's like we're driving on waterfalls right now.
We're driving down a water.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy. It just started pouring down rain. We just left the market. We're heading to go get breakfast and
There's a big one. Good thing we have four-wheel drive.
yeah, look at this. It like is
Oh my
so
god.
much water. Oh my god.
That's crazy. Living in the rainforest.
You guys see that? This is crazy.
But we're fine. We have a truck. We have four-wheel drive.
I know. I get a little nervous, but Corbin says he's not nervous and he's the one driving. So that's what.
Most of the water, it's all hills here, so most of the water's like heading down towards the valleys.
Yeah, but it does seem like we're jet skiing right now. Also, we're now following a biker, like on a
He's just
bicycle.
pedaling away.
I don't know how he's doing
So
this.
you feel like you're in that one scene of Jurassic Park and the little like dinosaur that spits at the guy is gonna come out.
Yeah, totally. Look at this guy go. How is he doing that?
I don't know.
Holy cow!
It's pouring.
It is pouring, you guys!
Ready, Bug? You wanna run out there?
Are you gonna run out there?
1, 2, 3, go.
Is that fun?
You do it.
Go, go, go!
Here.
She's like, no thank you.
Nope. You wanna do it again? Ready? Ready? Go.
It is seriously pouring. Oh my goodness. Opie knows where to be. Huh? Are you Opie? No, you're a different one. Go, go, go! Oh my goodness.
That was fun.
And
Ready, and go.
The rain is not super cold, so it's fun to get out there and just stay out there for a little bit. But I wanted to show you what we ended up getting at the farmer's market. So we only got a few things. We kind of are hoping to go every week and just try like some different things each week. But what we got this week was we got this homemade bread, and it smells amazing. It's actually, it's kind of an orange color because it's got like turmeric in it and sun-dried tomatoes and onions. It's like a savory homemade bread. So good. We tried a sample. So we got that, and then we got just some spinach for our smoothies. And we got star fruits. I don't know if I've ever had fresh star fruit. I know I've tried it somewhere, someplace, probably on like a fruit platter at one point, but I don't think it's gonna taste the way this is gonna taste because it's fresh star fruit grown here where we're at. And then we got some carrots for June. So really the things that we're trying new are the star fruit and the bread. And there's so many other things. I can't wait to try more things throughout this month. There's like homemade goat cheese and like probiotic like yogurts and oh my goodness. It all looks so good. But this is what we got at the farmer's market. Now we're trying to decide what we're gonna do for the rest of the day because it really is pouring and we had thought about going for a hike, but I think that would just be a muddy mess. So who wants some bread?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Homemade
Yeah!
bread. Yeah.
Homemade bread!
This is so freaking cool.
Try one. What's it taste like?
Do you eat the skin?
I have no idea.
It tastes like I don't know. It tastes like a mix between a peach, an apple.
Is it good?
It's really good. And a grape. I'd say a peach apple grape.
Junie wants some.
Okay. Here you go, Jeannie.
She's like, wait. Oh, you want bread? She wants the bread.
Okay.
So we went grocery shopping for the first time, and I will say the sticker shock thing is a real thing. It wasn't terrible, but things that are considered cheap were like average price at the store, and things that were like a little bit pricey in the mainland are like really pricey.
Like our loaf of bread
Yeah.
was $7.50 here.
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's
But
so much.
it was like an extra $2.
Two-
Like it's already an expensive loaf of bread, and then here it's extra expensive. So, but it's cheaper than eating out still. So we are stocked on groceries. We're just hanging out because it's still raining. It's been raining all day. What are you doing? You painting with Bunny?
Watercolors.
You got watercolors? Good job. Bunny
She
is
likes
being
when-
so well behaved, huh?
She likes when Bunny sits now.
Bunny sitting. Good job. And then what do you got over there?
Cheers. This
Cheers.
is my vacation. Every day for 30 days, pina coladas.
What did you want to show them? Oh, here you go. Here you go. You do it.
What he said
That's the baby gave you.
was He said
Yeah.
he was me guys. We
Do you want to show them all the airplanes?
That's your play airplanes.
Those are Dexter's airplanes, huh? Show Papa. What's Papa doing? Where is he? Where's Papa?
Peekaboo!
Me,
I'm in the
There he is.
Papa,
Oh.
Mama.
All right, you guys, we've had too many pina coladas. We're heading to bed. No, just kidding. But we did have a really amazing day going to the market and just living the Aloha lifestyle. This has been amazing. We have not even really gone to the ocean though, so I'm thinking we need to go snorkeling, my love.
We're going to the beach.
Yeah, we've gone to the beach, but we haven't gone snorkeling.
I know.
And this is like supposed to be the best snorkeling in the world.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Right now.
Right now? Night snorkeling? I booked our scuba trip.
I know, I'm so excited.
We're gonna go scuba diving, you guys, to Molokini, which is like this world famous scuba place, and we're gonna scuba with sea turtles. So that's gonna be really fun. I got the confirmation today.
I'm so excited.
I know. But we're going to go ahead and end today's vlog right there. Thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to follow us on our Aloha adventures. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Be where your feet are. Just lazy.
It's gonna turn into a butterfly.
Cocoon.